Module 8 is entitled Group Processes and Work Teams, Leadership, and Organizational Theory and Development. In IO Psychology, understanding group processes and work teams is crucial, as these dynamics significantly impact workplace performance, also employee satisfaction, and organizational outcomes. IO psychologists study how group members interact with each other, how they make decisions, and perform tasks, applying psychological principles to improve team effectiveness and overall work environment. IO psychology studies human behavior in the workplace, and leadership is a key focus, with psychologists researching leadership styles, developing strategies, and training managers to improve team performance and workplace dynamics. IO psychologists examine different leadership styles, and we are referring to transformational or transactional, and their impact on employee motivation, their job satisfaction, and organizational performance. They develop and implement training programs to enhance these leadership skills, such as communication, delegation, conflict resolution, and decision making. Now, remember, in IO psychology, it is a field that studies human behavior in the workplace. It utilizes organizational theory and development principles to improve organizational effectiveness, employee well-being, and overall productivity. Organizational psychology focuses on understanding how organizational structures, social norms, leadership styles, and other factors influence individual behavior within a workplace to improve overall organizational effectiveness and employee well-being.